Yeah. I mean, when you drive.
Hey folks, what's going on? Grow starting tomorrow.
Wait,
No shit.
what? Tomorrow? What do we have to
joking.
do? How was it last year? Oh my god.
Should we wait a moment? Data Flares, congratulations, well done! You guys are legends, congratulations on winning the entirety of Grow. Massive round of applause.
Okay.
Wasn't it online?
It was.
Yeah, but we could do like the year before. I mean,
Yeah, well, why not mix it? Let's do it hybrid.
Okay, yeah, then let's start.
let's try. Come on.
Like turtles with a mad mind, we're looking out into the night sky. Yeah, we just never dare to try, but tonight we got our hopes up high. Call us dreamers and seekers. Maybe one day we will get to know the secrets we've been looking for, pushing the boundaries. Yeah, we will reach a breakthrough. Let it grow like a small seed in the soil, like the Big Bang in the void, a giant leap in the dark. We will make it, 'cause when we fall we grow.
So, now I finished the concept. So, here, we're going to finish with the final speech. Afterwards, they're going to go networking, find the teams. So, we'll give them some tips. I mean, it's 5 minutes. Let's see how far we got. Yeah, and that's it.
Looks good, but look at the time. I think we have to hurry. Then
Yeah,
we make
you're
it
right.
in time.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
Let it grow.
Many choices we all have to make, and advice that we are gonna take. In the end, when we stay true to ourselves, we'll find answers while we're on our way. Things may look way too hard, but we just need to try over and over. So what if we just start? With every step we get a little closer. Let it grow like a small seed in the soil, like the Big Bang in the void, a giant leap in the dark. We will make it, 'cause when we fall we grow. Grow, grow, let it grow, let it grow, let it grow, like a small seed in the soil, like the Big Bang in the void, a giant leap